Can your body forget how to breathe under stress? It sounds impossible, but stress can disrupt your breathing in surprising ways that might make you feel like you're gasping for air. Breathing is controlled by your brainstem, a part of your brain that works automatically. You do not need to consciously think about breathing for it to happen, which is why you can sleep or focus on other things. This automatic control means your body never forgets how to breathe. But under stress, your breathing pattern can change dramatically, leading to uncomfortable sensations. When you experience stress, your body activates the fight or flight response. This causes your breathing to speed up and become shallower, a process called hyperventilation. You might feel like you cannot take a deep breath or even hold your breath without realizing it. This doesn't mean you have forgotten how to breathe. Instead, your body is reacting to stress signals, which can feel like breathlessness or panic. You can never truly forget how to breathe because it is an involuntary process. However, extreme stress or panic attacks can cause you to hold your breath momentarily or breathe irregularly. These brief disruptions feel like forgetting, but they are your body's response to anxiety. With practice, techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness can help restore normal breathing quickly. You can train your body to manage stress-induced breathing changes by practicing mindfulness and controlled breathing exercises. Techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing or box breathing help slow your breath, reduce anxiety, and prevent the panic cycle that disrupts normal breathing. These simple tools can retrain your response to stress and help you feel in control of your breath again. So can your body forget how to breathe under stress? Not really. Your breathing may change or feel disrupted, but it never truly stops or forgets. Understanding this can help you feel calmer and regain control during stress. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.